how to change your Shopify theme. That's what we're going to talk right now. And if you find this video helpful, please leave a comment down below or write any thoughts that you have in your mind. And if you like to have your first 3 months in Shopify for just only $1, you can actually just click the link down in the description and bring you over here to this page right here. So it says that starts for free, then enjoy $1 per month for first 3 months. So yeah, going back to the topic, we'll just show you how to change the theme of your online store. So it's just simple and easy. You can also go to your online store, themes, and click customize. You can manually customize your theme, upload some pictures, some photo. So you just have to wait for the loading. So now I'm here in my online store. You can just actually add some logos, layouts, animations, and it's up to you with your own preference. So just you see the template, you can just add section, add features, or whatsoever here in the selections. Or you can just simply go exit, go to the home page, and right down below here, you will see the popular free themes. So Shopify have free themes that you can use. You can actually just click add whatever you want. So let's try one, just add, and it will not change automatically to your theme library. So you just need to wait installing the theme. So right here, I have my default theme, which is the draft. I just made some random stuff there. Then, yeah, it's already downloaded, the craft. So if you want this theme, just need to tap this publish. It will say that your online store is password protected. You can remove the password after you publish this theme. This will replace your current theme draft. So if you want to replace the current theme, which is the draft, you just need to click the publish, and it's already published in your current theme. So if you want to see that, you just only need to go to customize, and you can make some edits as well. Put some photos, some text. So yeah, I think that's it for now. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel and like this video. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.